Hey fellow doodlers, today I'm extremely proud to introduce you to a powerful new add-on called Doodly Rainbow. With Doodly Rainbow, you'll be able to instantly select full color versions of every single image inside of your Doodly library. You'll double the number of images at your disposal, plus you'll be able to create much more engaging professional videos to help your Doodly videos stand out from the rest. And you'll be able to do it all with a single click of your mouse. Here's how it works. When you order Doodly Rainbow, the add-on will automatically activate inside of your copy of Doodly. Simply open up Doodly as you normally would, and you'll notice a brand new button located in the left-hand panel. That is the Doodly Rainbow add-on. Click it to turn it on, and you'll be able to easily toggle back and forth between the regular black and white Doodly images and the all-new Doodly Rainbow full-color images. As simple as Doodly Rainbow is to use, it sure wasn't easy to develop. It's taken our team thousands of man hours and nearly 6 figures to manually color thousands and thousands of images by hand. Not to mention the complex technology required to make Doodly Rainbow so simple to use. With that said, we truly hope you love it as much as we do. To get access to the Doodly Rainbow add-on, simply click the button next to this video and get started creating amazing full-color doodle videos today.